गोवा शिपयार्ड लिमिटेडान समुद्र प्रचेत ह्या प्रदूषण नियंत्रण जहाजाचे बुधवारा लोकार्पण केले। गोवा शिपयार्ड लिमिटेडान भारतीय तटरक्षक दळा खातीर हे अत्याधुनिक समुद्र प्रचेत प्रदूषण नियंत्रण जहाज तयार केला। समुद्र प्रचेत हे जहाज तटरक्षक दळाच्या क्षमतेत लक्षणीय भर घालपी आसा। गोवा शिपयार्ड लिमिटेडान सच्चे प्रमाण उचेलो तांत्रिक दर्जो कायम दवरीत हे जहाज तयार केला। समुद्र प्रचेत हे जहाज तटरक्षक दळाच्या सेवेत दाखल जाऊन दर्यांतल्या प्रदूषण नियंत्रणात महत्वाची भूमिका बजयतले अशी अपेक्षा आसा। हे जहाज फक्त प्रदूषण नियंत्रणा खातीरच न्हय जाल्यार दर्यांतल्या हेर आव्हानांचेर मात करपाची तांक दवरता अशें भारतीय तटरक्षक दळाचे महासंचालक परमेश शिवमणी हाणें म्हटलां।
Of the second pollution control vessel for the Indian Coast Guard being built by Messrs. Goa Shipyard Limited. This ship is a testament of India's ability and capabilities in shipbuilding, and we are firmly in sync with the Government of India's directive of Atmanirbhar Bharat, wherein we endeavour to ensure that every ship and craft which is built for the Indian Coast Guard is done in our shipyards only. This has got a very significant role, because as we speak about 12,000 vessels fly the Indian Easy, and in case of an unfortunate accident or incident, the pollution control vessels are the first responders to reach on the scene and start their firefighting operations if required, and also start assessing the quantum of damage to the ship, and thereafter they are in a position to deliver the tier 1 response to ensure that there is minimum damage to the marine environment till the time the other resources are mobilized and reach the sea.
This is second indigenously designed pollution control vessels for the Indian Coast Guard. This is the first vessel which has been designed by any Indian shipyards, which is having hybrid propulsion. That means it has a diesel propulsion as well as electrical propulsion. Currently, Goa Shipyard is building 22 platforms. 9 for the Indian Coast Guard, 9 for the Indian Navy, and 4 foreign clients. And the growth journey of Goa Shipyard has been very fast in last 3 years, and we are confident that this journey of our Honorable Prime Minister's call of Atmanirbhar Bharat, Goa Shipyard is playing a human role.
इस ओथ और इसके सभी सैनिकों के उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करती हूँ। I name this ship Indian Coast Guard ship Samudra Pracheet. May good fortune attend her and all those who sail in her.
किरण बोरकारा सहित ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक टीवी।